An anti-radiation missile is a missile designed to detect and home in on an enemy radio emission source, like the Russian air defense radars, S-300 or S-400. Typically, these missiles are designed for use against an enemy radar, although jammers and even radios used for communications can also be targeted in this manner. The US Air Force is using these missiles for a long time, but now the F-35 is getting even more powerful weapon. The United States Air Force's Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is already the world's most accomplished multi-role combat aircraft, but its capabilities continue to be enhanced. This month, the Department of Defense has awarded 3 new contracts to begin work on the stand-in attack weapon, one of the Air Force's next-generation air-to-ground munitions. Lockheed Martin, L3 Harris, and Northrop Grumman received 90-day, $2 million contracts as part of Phase 1 of the stand-in attack weapon program. Boeing and Raytheon Technologies were also in the 5-competitor field, but it remains unclear if this work will be competitive or complementary to a contract that was awarded to all of the companies earlier this year. The United States Air Force has budgeted $1.9 billion for the development of the stand-in attack weapon, Air Force magazine reported earlier this week. The work will be completed as part of the future year's defense plan beginning in fiscal year 2023 and continuing through 2027. The FY23 request was for $283.2 million, while development funding is expected to peak with fiscal year 2026, with $718.2 million. This stand-in weapon would have a shorter range than standoff weapons, which are typically designed to be fired from a distance outside the range of enemy defenses. However, it would enable the F-35 Lightning II to strike enemy targets that provide anti-access, area denial environment, or which could be rapidly moved. That could targets such as integrated air defense systems, ballistic missile launchers, land attack and anti-ship cruise missile launchers, GPS jammers, and anti-satellite systems. In addition, stand-in weapons could be faster than other ordnance that the F-35 could carry, which would enable a better chance of hitting a target before an enemy's defense systems could intercept it. The stand-in attack weapon is being developed to be carried within the weapons bay of the F-35 rather than on an external mount so as to avoid compromising the aircraft's stealth capabilities. However, due to its size, the weapon likely couldn't be carried by the F-22 Raptor as its internal bay isn't large enough. The first phase of this program will reportedly focus on digital engineering and design. Northrop Grumman has announced that it will utilize its experiences from designing and producing the Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range for the US Navy and integrating it on F-35s. L3 Harris also announced that its Agile Development Group would lead its SiAW efforts, while it would take advantage of the group's digital engineering capabilities. The Agile Development Group includes several thousand engineers, program managers, technicians, and operations professionals focused on quickly developing solutions to deal with a variety of emerging threats. L3 Harris is looking forward to working with the Air Force and industry partners to go fast and deliver superior firepower and advanced capabilities to the warfighter, said Dave Duggan, president of L3 Harris's Agile Development Group. Lockheed Martin has also noted that its contract is to perform integration work for SiAW, while it will produce hardware over the next 5 years, which the Air Force will then test and evaluate for possible production. Our stand-in attack weapon offering is one example of how we are partnering with the US Air Force to transform our approach to digital acquisitions. Stand-in attack weapon leverages proven design elements and internal investments while incorporating agile software, model-based digital environments to keep pace with evolving threats. The digital thread continues as we integrate stand-in attack weapon onto the F-35, adding more multi-role mission capabilities to further assert the F-35 as the most advanced and survivable aircraft in the world, Lockheed Martin explained on its website. Lockheed Martin's Missiles and Fire Control Division is using advanced digital engineering methods pioneered by its Skunk Works unit to design the stand-in attack weapon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.